Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In this video, we are going to take a look at the ovary underneath the microscope. When we look at the ovary underneath the microscope, we are going to focus in on the mature follicle and some of the structures that are associated with that follicle. When we are looking for a mature follicle, we want to go ahead and we want to find a large follicle that is going to contain a large chamber, fluid-filled chamber known as the antrum. If we are taking a look up here, this gives us a broader view of the ovary. We can see several different follicles here if we take a look. And if we focus in on this follicle right here, we note it has that large fluid-filled chamber. And what I've done here is I've blown that up for us because this is going to be our mature follicle. It is also sometimes called the Graafian follicle or tertiary follicle. And again, this up here would be the mature follicle as well. We have our large fluid-filled antrum. And then we can see our oocyte here as well. And there's going to be a layer of cells around the oocyte known as the corona radiata. Corona means crown. You can think about it as a crown of cells radiating around the oocyte. I'll go ahead and draw a line here. And that way we can note that corona radiata.